Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pitch Hammer. Today we have got a fantastic tutorial for all you budding makers and electronics enthusiasts. We are going to show you how to download and install the Arduino IDE. It's an essential software for programming your Arduino boards. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a web browser. In this case, I am using Microsoft Edge. Search Arduino IDE. Open this website by clicking on it. This is the official website. We are going to download Arduino 1.8.19. Scroll down and you can find it. This is it, guys. Now click here. You will get this page and click to just download. You can see that the downloading was started. Now it will take some time. It will depend on your internet speed. After the downloading was finished, click to shown folder and locate the file. Now double click on it. It will ask your hard drive permission. You have to click yes. Now minimize other things, and if you want, you can read this. After reading the text, click to agree, then click to next, and click to install. The installing process will be started. In the end of installing, it will ask some permission to install drivers. You have to click install. This driver is for Arduino COM port. Click to install. And this is for Arduino USB driver. And this is also for Arduino USB driver. You can see that the installing was complete. Now click to close. And there you have it, folks. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Arduino IDE. Now you are all set to start your Arduino projects and bring your creative ideas to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Khuda Hafiz, and until next time, happy tinkering.